Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job. Stop. You... Is it time for dinner?
What's that so hard?
Well, why is it...
Why are you such a little bitch?
No. You like the smell?
Big stretch. That is a good one.
She looks so fucked down.
It's gonna make it.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Exactly. You tell them, Robert. You tell them. Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Oh. To you too.
Ew, ew.
Oh God.
For them, for families, I think.
Misty!
So let me in, open your house. I'm just. Oh my God.
Hello. Hello.
Jeez.
Ma'am. What have you been up to? What was that sound? Walter!
Hey.
They can't be in there with their snowmobiles.
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
Oh, Can you read this? Oh my god!
Can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Oh my god, she's so fat. Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
She was so intelligent.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth. Do you want to eat?
I'm just trying to pet you.
Hello?
Oh,
Hang on.
okay.
You're adopted.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah. Oh, that's the best one.
Carrie, why are you such a jerk?
Oh my god!
Sama.
Oh my gosh.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil.
No. Tasha, no! I said.
Easy to realize.
It's a fire swim.
Не надо.
Let's sing a song, yeah?
Hey, 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 hey.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
Oh my.
Stop, you're not gonna like it. Dinner.
It's not yours.
Hey.
You're not very nice.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed.